Welcome to Momima Learning. In this video, you are going to learn cooking verbs. Add, A-D-D, add. Break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Boil, B-O-I-L, boil. Blend, B-L-E-N-D, blend. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Barbecue, B-A-R-B-E-C-U-E, barbecue. Cut, C-U-T, cut. Cover, C-O-V-E-R, cover. Crush, C-R-U-S-H, crush. Cool, C-O-O-L, cool. Chop, C-H-O-P, chop. Dip, D-I-P, dip. Dice, D-I-C-E, dice. Decorate, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E, decorate. Drain, D-R-A-I-N, drain. Fry, F-R-Y, fry. Flip, F-L-I-P, flip. Grind, G-R-I-N-D, grind. Grate, G-R-A-T-E, grate. Grill, G-R-I-L-L, grill. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Knead, K-N-E-A-D, knead. Layer, L-A-Y-E-R, layer. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Measure, M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure. Mix, M-I-X, mix. Microwave, M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E, microwave. Mash, M-A-S-H, mash. Melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Mince, M-I-N-C-E, mince. Marinate, M-A-R-I-N-A-T-E, marinate. Peel, P-E-E-L, peel. Pour, P-O-U-R, pour. Roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast. Refrigerate, R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-E, refrigerate. Roll, R-O-L-L, roll. Stir, S-T-I-R, stir. Scramble, S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E, scramble. Sprinkle, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E, sprinkle. Excuse, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E, excuse. Spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Steam, S-T-E-A-M, steam. Simmer, S-I-M-M-E-R, simmer. Slice, S-L-I-C-E, slice. Salt, S-A-U-T-E, salt. Toast, T-O-A-S-T, toast. Whisk, W W-I-S-K, whisk. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. Pinch, P-I-N-C-H, pinch. Garnish, G-A-R-N-I-S-H, garnish. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Sieve, S-I-E-V-E, sieve. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel.